Hello, this is Jen Kitzmiller. I'm a meteorologist with the National Weather Service here in Missoula, and I have your Thursday, June 29th fire weather briefing. So just to get things started, I wanted to show a water vapor loop. And in this image, it's showing moisture in the atmosphere. So where you see more of the blue colors, that's representing a lot of moisture. And then as you move into the red and orange colors, that's showing where really dry air is present in the atmosphere. And so there's a couple features to point out. The first being this low pressure system that is currently sitting over western Montana and central Idaho. That system's brought some cloud cover, some light precipitation in places, and some cooler temperatures for the area. This is going to be short-lived, however, as it looks like this system is going to be moving eastward out of the area, and in its place you'll see this ridge of high pressure that's building along the west coast. That feature is going to be moving eastward into the area and really is expected to be the dominant feature over the area for the most part into next week. So starting tomorrow, Friday, we will start to see a warming and a drying trend as that feature builds in. By Saturday, it does look like there might be a little bit of a wave of energy that moves through the ridge. That's represented here. You can see in the black lines this little dip in the upper level weather pattern. That's showing that low pressure system that's going to be moving in during the day Saturday. We're still expecting to see warm temperatures, and in fact by Saturday we're expecting temperatures as much as 5 to 10 degrees above normal. But that feature itself by afternoon will lead to some afternoon showers and thunderstorms and some cloud cover as well. So this graphic here just gives you an idea of where we might see the best chance for showers and thunderstorms, and that's being represented by the green colors. And so the locations that we most expect to see thunderstorm coverage would be across the Clearwater Nez Perce National Forest, over through the Bitterroot National Forest, and then over into the Beaverhead Deer Lodge National Forest. Now overall, we're not expecting widespread wetting rains with this. There'll be kind of popcorn type showers and thunderstorms that form. But if you do end up under a heavier shower or thunderstorm, you could see some wetting rains just depending on your location. As we get into Sunday and early next week, the flow still is overall a ridge of high pressure, but it flattens a little bit and gives us more of a westerly flow aloft. So we're going to continue to see those above normal temperatures, again continue to be about 5 to 10 degrees above normal. And with that, it should be fairly dry atmosphere by this point, so we could start seeing those min RHs in the low teens look possible. And with time, we'll be seeing worsening nighttime RH recoveries and some development of some thermal belts. But due to this little bit flatter flow aloft, that's also going to lead to some potentially breezy winds that will develop. And so I have a graphic here to kind of demonstrate what we're looking at as far as winds go. It looks like Monday afternoon is probably going to be the breeziest, although we could see some decent breezes on Tuesday afternoon as well. You'll see the graphic here on the right. This is representing what wind gusts might be, and we're looking into the 20 to 30 mile per hour range for wind gusts, particularly along the Continental Divide and down into southwest Montana. And with that, on the left, I have just a kind of feel for what temperatures might be like. I said 5 to 10 degrees above normal, so that puts many valley locations in western Montana into the mid to upper 80s, and in Idaho, we'll start seeing some valleys approaching 90 degrees. So warm, dry, breezy is the theme for Sunday and especially Monday and Tuesday. Now, as we look at the longer range forecast, this is from the Climate Prediction Center, and so this is the 8 to 14 day outlook, which is looking from July 6th through July 12th. And there's pretty high confidence in seeing above normal temperatures and below normal precipitation across the area. We're looking at a pattern that could shape up to be very hot. There's still a little bit of discrepancies in some of the model runs, but it's looking more confident with time that we may be in for a pretty hot pattern past this July 6th time frame. So something to keep an eye on. It could be very hot, very dry conditions, so we will continue to update you on that. But in the meantime, just be prepared for some warmer and drier conditions as we move forward in time. So that's all I have for you today. Our next briefing will be on Sunday, July 2nd. And like I said, we'll make sure to keep you up to date on that potential heat wave as we move into that next weekend. So with that, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Otherwise, we'll talk to you on Sunday. Thank you.